Imagine a diet where you eat only meat, no vegetables, no fruits, no grains. Sounds radical, right? That's the carnivore diet, sparking intense global debate. Today, we're diving into why this unique eating approach is one of nutrition's most controversial topics. We'll explore the scientific, nutritional, and ethical reasons behind the uproar. One major flashpoint is the lack of extensive long-term scientific research. While proponents share impressive anecdotal success stories regarding weight loss and autoimmune conditions, mainstream medical organizations remain highly skeptical. They highlight the absence of large-scale, peer-reviewed studies proving its long-term safety and efficacy, leading to calls for extreme caution. Nutritional concerns are another huge controversy. Critics argue that eliminating entire food groups like fruits and vegetables risks deficiencies in essential nutrients like fiber and vitamin C. There's also worry about high saturated fat intake potentially impacting cardiovascular health, despite some advocates reporting improved blood markers. Beyond health, the carnivore diet faces significant ethical and environmental scrutiny. Relying solely on animal products raises questions about animal welfare and the sustainability of large-scale meat production. In an era focused on reducing carbon footprints, a meat-only diet often appears at odds with global environmental goals and plant-based movements. So, the carnivore diet's controversy stems from a perfect storm: insufficient long-term data, significant nutritional concerns from conventional wisdom, and profound ethical and environmental considerations. It's where personal experience clashes with established norms. What are your thoughts on the carnivore diet? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more insights into trending health topics.